In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly connect your Gmail account to your Squarespace website. This process will streamline your workflow and allow easy management of your emails directly from your Squarespace site. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, it's important to ensure that your Gmail account is active and accessible. For those of you using Google Workspace and managing multiple emails, you'll want to have your Workspace email credentials handy. Having everything ready at this stage will make the following steps much smoother. Now, let's move on to Squarespace. Head over to squarespace.com and once there, log into your account. If you've got multiple sites, make sure you open the specific website you want to connect your Gmail with. This is crucial because the integration we're setting up will be specific to that site. Once you've logged into your Squarespace account, look over to the left-hand menu. Here you'll find the settings option. Go ahead and click on that and then navigate to Email in G Suite or Google Workspace depending on what version you're using. You're going to see an option that says Get Started under the Gmail or Google Workspace section, so click that to begin the process of linking your accounts. In the next step, you're going to need to enter your Gmail email address. Make sure you type this accurately to avoid any hiccups later on. Hit Next and you'll be prompted to allow Squarespace to access your Google account. This is a crucial step because granting these permissions is what allows the two platforms to communicate effectively. Go through the permissions thoroughly, but ensure you grant all the required ones. This is essential for a smooth connection. If you're using a custom domain for your website, Squarespace might ask you to verify ownership. This can get a bit technical as it involves adding TXT or MX records to your domain settings, but don't worry, just follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Squarespace provides a detailed guide to help you through this part. It may seem daunting at first, but once you follow each step, it usually falls into place quite easily. Once you've made it through the verification process, you'll receive a confirmation from Squarespace that your Gmail account is now successfully linked. This is the point where it's crucial to make sure everything's working correctly. The best way to do this is by sending a test email. Use a feature like a contact form submission from your site and watch to ensure it arrives in your Gmail inbox. This ensures that emails sent to your site are routed properly to your Gmail. And there you have it, your Gmail account is now connected to your Squarespace website. This connection will help you manage communications effectively, all from a single platform. Thanks for watching and happy connecting.